Ramogi TV.
Ogai mar jomin bura Renson Ingonga osiemo josiasa ni owetiyo gi kweth njore romo mag siasa. Wacho ni josiasa mamedo chwalo chenro makamano ibiro kawnegi okang' mar chik. Kanoloso Mombasa, Ingonga wacho ni timbe njore mag siasa osemedo jimbore kendo keto ngima jopiny kamarach. Ogai mar doho Martha Koome bende otiyo gi thuolono mar jiwo ni bede migepe matayo yiero nyaka chak timo ikruok machon motelo ne yiero.
Anyone found culpable in Goonism will be dealt with accordingly. This also applies to the issue of inflammatory statements which are being made by politicians across the divide. We will also, in collaboration with the DCI and NCIC, deal with these kind of characters so that they are brought to book. We only have one country, and that is Kenya. We will not allow some characters with their own issues to influence otherwise good Kenyans into a state of anarchy. We will not allow that.
Interagency coordination and partnership is essential for a peaceful and orderly electoral environment. Following a briefing by the IEBC, the NCAJ agreed to reactivate all our committees on election preparedness. I want to say, as far as the judiciary is concerned, the Judiciary Committee on Election is already set to start the training of all judges, magistrates, and judiciary staff and stakeholders, including advocates, on what we need to prepare and what we need to plan for the 2027 general election.
Oyangore ni atamalo prochiko gauchiel mag rowere ma pachoka ni kod dwaro mar goyo ombulu ne jachung' mar laro kom mora mora